Kenny B here, Pro HiveWorks demo and training videos. Follow us on Facebook or visit easybsoftware.com. Download and install updates. In this video, I'm going to show you how to check to see if you're running the latest version or not. Now, if you'll look in this area, you'll see that this is 2.0.10, build 4/20/2025. At the bottom of your screen, you'll always see the latest update here. And if this changes, it moves up to 2.0.11 and then a build date. If it's different, that means that it is a latest update and you should download and install that update. Now in this case, they're really the same, but for the sake of this video, I'm just going to go through the process of downloading. Now I could click that link, which basically is going to open the old Internet Explorer most likely. So what I suggest you do is just highlight this. Use your Control-C key on your keyboard. Go into your favorite browser and then Control-V will paste that in. And that'll take you to Pro HiveWorks support website. Click on Updates. And this is describing what I just showed you, comparing these two. Okay. So this is the latest version, and let's, for this video's sake, let's pretend that it's an 11. And I'm going to go ahead and go through the process to show you how to update. Okay. Now at this point, before you actually download the update, you need to go back and make sure that you exit Pro HiveWorks. Also, make sure no other users are working in Pro HiveWorks across your network. Now you can click this. It's going to give you all type of stuff here, but you have to select and tell it to keep. And also too, Microsoft a lot of times, depending on what you have, you've got to go through this to indicate or tell it to keep it. Now, if I want to open the file, again, this PC goes in another protection mode. I'm not sure what yours may do, but anyway, you can click more information and tell it to run anyway. Then it will start the actual download and tell you the version number. Click OK. Most of the time it's defaulted, your Pro HiveWorks is installed on your C. It could be possible that it's not. In either case, you would want to change this, and if you needed to, just click Browse. And that's exactly what I'm going to do, because my Pro HiveWorks is not on my C drive. It's basically in a test area. So that's really all I'm doing is changing this, and once I get that, then I can go ahead and select unzip. It will unzip the three updated files, and then I can close this down, start up Pro HiveWorks, and I happen to be running still in a trial mode. And so now you would be updated. At that point, this should match that. And if it does, you're good to go. Thanks for watching.